this has to be condemned. Any kind of violence does not have any place in democracy, especially a country like ours where we have lived together for centuries. Bharatiya Janata Party, myself and all my leaders condemn this kind of action by anybody who has done it.
You see, in Badaयूं, 2 girls were raped and they were killed
And hanged.
The central government writes to letter to the UP chief minister and asks the report to send immediately here. A very sensitive issue where mosques are being destroyed, where a minority boy has been killed by hooliganism and making the Hindu Sena, Rashtra Sena, whatever is Sena.
Firstly, this has nothing to do with Narendra Modi, victory, Gujarat, and in fact in Maharashtra, politicians from all political parties have really behaved in a very mature and sensible manner. In this case, it is so unfortunate that Pune has to witness this, not because of any electoral mandate,
Okay.
but because of the Pune police, who are absolutely lackadaisical, and they only have now jumped up after a death.
This is not an episode that we need to think of only in terms of a Muslim being attacked by a Hindu right-wing organization, because episodes of this sort against women, like the pub attack in Mangalore, or the women being, or couples being attacked in parks or such public spaces during Valentine's Day, or Hindu girls marrying Muslims, like in the name of love jihad, what is being told in like how they need to be served, etc., etc. So when such a government, like such a government which has come from a particular ideology, which has a majoritarian ideology, comes into power, does such things, I think, like are things that would automatically come along with it.
Mr. Desai's only ambition is to create, religious inflammation.
Many cases last 10 years, and I read it. His idea is very much influenced by the Nathuram Godse.
या बाला साहब ठाकरे के बारे में नेगेटिव कमेंट्स देना वो भी उतना ही गलत है,
बिल्कुल जी।
क्योंकि मैं ब्लॉग लिखता हूँ विश्व हिंदू परिषद के लिए, और उस ब्लॉग को लिखते समय मेरे पास जो कमेंट्स आते, वो कमेंट्स बहुत गालियों से भरे हुए या इस तरह के भी आते हैं, क्योंकि मैं जानता हूं कि जो इंटॉलरेंट हैं वो इसी तरह की भाषा का प्रयोग करेंगे। नरेंद्र मोदी नहीं आते तो क्या ये रिएक्शन नहीं होता?
In the mobiles of these people who were arrested, the SMS said, "Pehli wicket padi."
The issues of this country, the society in this country, they were out of this country somehow in electoral politics. We find the communal, irresponsible murderer, rapist got elected. And I say Hindu Rashtra Sena, this is not Rashtra Sena, they are defaming Hindu. These are in the garb of Taliban, they are the Hindu Rashtra Sena, and they should be condemned.
सोशल मीडिया पर कुछ रेस्ट्रेन रहना ही चाहिए, दूसरों की भावनाएं अपमानित ना हो, इसका भी ध्यान इन लोगों को रखना चाहिए।